Corsair PBT Doubleshot Pro keycap kits give compatible keyboards added durability and personalization, thanks to thick double-shot PBT plastic with textured surfaces and multiple striking color options. Upgrading your existing, compatible Corsair keyboard is quick and easy. The Corsair PBT Doubleshot Pro keycap kit is compatible with standard MX Stem key switches and stabilizers on keyboards with a standard bottom row. Before we begin, snap a quick picture of your keyboard using your cell phone to have a quick reference of where the keycap should go when you install your new keycap set. Now remove the stock keycaps on your keyboard using the included keycap puller. Once you've removed all your stock keycaps, take this opportunity to also clean out your keyboard. The PBT Doubleshot Pro keycap kit includes silicone O-rings which can be used to soften the sound and feel of your keystrokes. If you wish to use these O-rings, just slip the O-ring onto the stem of your keycaps before installing. Now proceed to install your new keycaps. There are different ways to approach this, but as long as you have a reference photo handy, getting each keycap where it needs to go should be a breeze. And now with our new keycaps in place, our keyboard looks better than new. And with different colors available, you can mix and match different keys to create unique patterns that make your keyboard stand out above the rest. For more information about the Corsair PBT Doubleshot Pro keycap kits, or to check out Corsair gaming keyboards, visit us at Corsair.com.